I got some yarn from Hobbii. We are going to do this unboxing video. I will show you the yarn that they have sent me and also show you how the yarn works up. So let me grab my scissors, grab the yarn. This is the yarn that I got. This is the new Honey Bunny Shine. So if you have seen my previous video where I'm working with the bunny pattern, I'm also using Honey Bunny, but this is a little different. This has a little like speckles in it, so it has a nice shine. It's been a while since I ordered this, so I don't remember what I got. Here is the one in green. And I got one in white because white is always good to have. And I got one in this pretty blue. Here is the blue. So with this yarn, I was thinking of making a crochet mouse. This is why I have ordered a couple of skeins of gray yarn. And I'm thinking the mouse head and also a little dress and maybe a flower. So this is why I ordered green. So with this yarn, they are recommending a 6mm crochet hook, or 7m crochet hook I mean, and 100 grams has 120 meters and or 3.5 ounces or 131 yards. So this is a very nice yarn. So let's see how it works up. I'm gonna crochet one example and show you. It's always nice to get some yarn to play around with. Thinking we're gonna just make a magic ring. It's gonna show to make a few examples with the two different colors here and see how it works up and how it looks. So maybe we'll do a magic ring here and just make 6 single crochets in the ring. 1, 2, and 6. Also, there are many colors that you can get. Here you can take a look at their website. Just go to the link below and then you can see all the colors that they have. They had some to choose from. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can see like the little glitters here. Let's do another round. So increasing in every second stitch here. Really nice with this glitter. Adds a little extra touch to it. I think you can see it on camera. So let's try another color, maybe the blue one. So the first impression of the yarn is good. It doesn't some of this yarn loses like small or those little, but not so much. I have seen worse. This is made from 100% polyester. Maybe we should do just a normal row now of single crochets. So I start with a chain, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do 1 single crochet in each chain. So I have 8 now. You can see this yarn is very nice for amigurumi because it's a very like fluffy yarn. It's very nice. So I will be back in when I have finished my pattern, and I will share a pattern for free with you here on my channel using this yarn. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you will get notified when I upload a pattern. I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.